trains leave a railway station at the same time. The first train travels due west and the second train due north. The first train travels 5 km per hour faster than the second train. If after 2 hours they are 50 km apart, find the speed of each train. Find the speed of each train. Two trains leave a railway station at the same time. So speed of, we don't know the speed. So speed of first train, let it be x. Let the speed of, let the speed of first train is equal to x kilometer per hour. Two trains leave a railway station at the same time. The first train travels due west and the second train due north. The first train travels 5 km faster than the second train. The first train travels faster than the second train. So that means if we take the first train as x, first train travels. So which one, speed of second train is what? Speed of second train.
X minus 5.
X minus 5. We took x as first train means second train travels. First train travels 5 km faster than the second train. So 5 km faster means we can take x minus 5. Understood, no? So suppose second train is 10 means what will be the first train?
5.
It will be 5. That means 5 km faster. If it is 15 means second train. The first train travels 5 km faster than the second train. Which one is the bigger one?
Train.
First train is faster. If we take a 5 here or 15 here, what will be?
10.
15 minus 5, 10.
10.
That means 5 km. Which one is bigger? The first train. First train travels 5 km faster than the second train. So second train will be x minus 5 km per hour since we took first train as x kilometers. Then if after 2 hours, so what is that? What happened? There are 50 kilometer apart means what will be the distance? Same. After 2 hours, they are 50 km apart. Find the speed of each train.
Difference between the distance of those trains is 50.
Just right. X and x minus 5 is there. Then got it or not?
X minus 5 is equal to 50.
X minus 5 is equal to 50. Is that correct?
X into
No.
2 minus x into 2 minus x minus 5
X
into 2.
into 2. So how you got this x into 2? Speed is speed is equal to what? Speed is x means speed is equal to x. So first what will be formula? Distance is equal to speed is equal to what?
Speed by time.
Distance. Speed is equal to distance divided by
Distance by time.
distance by time.
Speed into time distance.
Speed into
Time.
So distance is equal to
2x.
speed into time. that will be what? Speed is x into time.
2 hours.
2 hours. So that is what? 2x. That is distance. Distance of first train. Distance of first train is 2x. Understood? Right now. Distance of first train.
So
Speed.
second train x minus 2.
Distance of second train is
Second
equal
train.
to
X
2
minus 5
into
into 2. X
2
minus
into
5.
x minus 5. 2 into x minus 5. Distance of second train is equal to 2 into x minus 5. Then read the sentence. They are 50 kilometer apart. So distance is given as 50 kilometer. They are 50 kilometer apart means what? The first train travels 5 kilometer per hour. First, 2x plus 2 into x minus 5 is given as what? 50.
50.
50. Therefore, according to our sentence, we can write 2x
2x.
distance plus this distance 2 into x minus 5 is given as 50. 2x into 2x plus
Quadratic equation.
quadratic equations and solve it. Yesterday's question, biquadratic. What is that? Biquadratic.
4.
4. Quadratic.
But by means 2.
Bi means 2. Quadratic means 2. Biquadratic 4. 2x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 50. So 4x minus 10 is equal to 50. So 4x is equal to 50 plus 10. 4x is equal to 60. So x is equal to 60 divided by 4 is equal to what? 15 kilometer per hour. Speed of first train 15. Then speed of second train is equal to what? Therefore, speed of first train is equal to 15 kilometer per hour and speed of second train
2 into
9. No, speed of second train is what? X minus 5, no?
2x minus 5.
No. That is what? Speed, distance.
Distance.
The 2 into x minus 5 is the distance. Speed. What about the speed? Speed we assumed as what? X. So what will be? X minus 5, which is equal to 15 minus 5, which is equal to 10 kilometer per hour. Understood, Sony? Sony.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Understood.
4-mark question. Gone. That is a difference
4 mark.
between offline and online exam. No? Then 8 we have done. Then 9th question. The sum of the ages, 9th question. The sum of the ages of a father and his son is 45 years. 5 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 124. Determine their present ages. So what's the present age of father? We don't know. Father and son. The sum of ages of father and his son is 45. We don't know the age of father. Let it be X. Age of son. We don't know. Let it be Y. Given father's age and his son's age, sum is given as what? 45. So what will be Y in terms of 45 minus x, no. Understood? Read the
Yes,
sentence.
ma'am.
Sum of ages of a father and his son is 45 years. Right. Let the age of father, let the age of father, we are assuming, that's why we are writing let is equal to x. Let it be x. And
Age of son be y.
age of son is equal to y. Given age of father plus age of son is equal to 45. That is x plus y is equal to 45. Two unknowns means we can't solve this. So y in terms of x or x in terms of y. Y in terms of x we can write it as, no? So y we can write it as what? Y is equal to 45 minus x. That is this y, age of son, this y in terms of x, what we can write? 45 minus x using this condition. Any doubt in this? Up to this. So 45 minus x, that y is known as
No, ma'am.
45. So y we assumed. Therefore, what we can write? Age of father is equal to x. That is age of son is equal to what? Y, which is equal to 45 minus x. 45 minus x. This you write in your working order. Age of father x, age of son 45 minus x. Then next one. 5 years ago. 5 years ago, what will be the age of father and what will be the age of son? 5 years ago. This is the present age. Then 5 years ago. 5 years ago.
X minus 5 and 45 minus x minus 5.
5 years ago, age of father is equal to x minus 5 and age of son is equal to 45 minus x, then minus 5.
40 minus 5.
40 minus 5. 40 minus x, not 5. 40 minus x. Are you? Forty minus x. Then 5 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 125. Product of their ages is given as 124. So how can we write? Given product of their ages.
X minus 5 into 40 minus x is equal to
124.
124.
Solve it. Given product of their ages is equal to 124. That is 5 years ago. 45. 5 years ago. X minus 5. No? 5 years ago, x minus 5. X minus
Yes,
5.
ma'am. X minus
40 minus x is equal to 124. Then change the brackets. (45x minus x square minus 200 is equal to 125. Since it is negative, take this to the right side. So positive x square. Then this will become what? Negative 45 x. Then plus 200, then plus 125, left side 0. That is
124.
okay, 124. Okay, sorry, 124.
X square minus 45x plus 324.
Plus 324. That is x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. Dash into dash 324. Negative 45 also.
Minus 36 minus 9.
X square minus 36x minus 9x plus 324 is equal to 0. So x into x minus 36 into x minus 36 negative 9. So x minus 9 into x minus 36 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 9 or x is equal to 36. So what we can write? X, then the age of age of father is what? X, and the age of son is what? We assume it as what? 45 minus 45 minus x. So which one will be possible?
36.
Sure, no. Or 49 or 9. Hello.
36.
36. 36.
5
So,
years ago.
so it will be what? 45 minus 36, which is equal to 9. So age of son. Age of son is equal to 9 years and the age of father is equal to 36. Therefore, age of father is equal to 36 years and the age of son is equal to 9 years. Then 10. 11 is enough. 11th one.
Ma'am, 10th one.
10th, not simple. Simple quadratic equations only we need for this year. So 11th question. If it is simple for you, just to try it. 10th one. I think it is not simple. 11th is enough. Mohan takes 16 days less than Manoj to do a piece of work. If both working together can do it in 15 days, in how many days will Mohan alone complete the work? Mohan takes 16 days. Mohan takes 16 days less than Manoj to do a piece of work.
Therefore, Manoj is equal to x plus 16.
Manoj is equal to x plus 16. What will be Mohan? Mohan, if you take it as x,
X.
Manoj will be x plus 16. So, 1 day work we have to find out. What will be the work of Mohan? 1 day's Mohan work. Mohan works in 1 day. What will be the Mohan's 1 day work? 1 by x. 1 by x. Then what about Manoj? 1 day
1
work.
by
1 by x plus 16.
X plus 16. Both together work in how many days? 15 days. Both work together in
1 by x.
both together work
1 by x plus 1 by x plus
1 by
16
50.
equal to
1 by 50.
1 by 50. Okay, do it. Let Mohan takes 16 days less. Duration or time taken, no, that is enough. Time is enough. Duration. Which one is convenient? Time taken or duration? Time is enough, no?
Time.
Okay.
Time taken.
Let the time taken. Let the time taken by Mohan. To do a piece of work. To do the work is equal to, let we assume it as X. Then same way, time taken by Manoj to do the work is X plus 16. X plus 16 days. Days, here also days. Therefore, Mohan's 1 day work is equal to 1 by X days. That is total X days, 1 part. That is 4. 1 by 4. Here 1 by 4. Total 4 parts are there. Then this part only means total 4, 1 part. Here also 1 part. So total will be what? 2 by 4. Like that way. So 1 by X. Then same way, Manoj's 1 day work is equal to 1 by X plus 16. Given both can do the work in 15 days. Therefore, Mohan's and Manoj's 1 day work. Given both means Mohan and Manoj, both do the work in 15 days. Therefore, Mohan's and Manoj's 1 day work. Mohan and Manoj together work in 1 by 15 1 day work is enough. 1 day's work is equal to 1 by 15 days. Mohan and Manoj 1 day's work is equal to 1 by 15 days. Therefore, 1 by X plus 1 by X plus 16 is equal to 1 by 15. LCM 1 by X, that is 1 by X plus 1 by X plus 16 is equal to 1 by 15. Then X plus 16 plus X divided by X into X plus 16 is equal to 1 by 15. X plus X to X. 2x plus 16 divided by X square plus 16x is equal to 1 by 15. Cross multiply. 15 into 2x plus 16 is equal to X square plus 16x. 30x plus 16 into 15. Is it 240? X square.
Yes, ma'am. 240.
Minus 30x plus 16. Then negative 240. Here nothing. So 0. 0 is equal to X square minus 30x. And 16x also there, no? x square minus
24 and 10x.
Negative 14x minus 240. 24 and 10. Okay. So x square minus 24x plus 10x minus 240 is equal to 0. So x into x minus 24, x minus 24 is equal to 0. Do it fast, okay? Time is a major factor, so practice. X is equal to 24, x is equal to negative 10. So Mohan can do a work in how many days? How many days?
Mohan 24.
Mohan can do, therefore, Mohan can do the work in 24 days. X is equal to negative 10 is not possible. So x is equal to 24. That means Mohan can do a work in 24 days. 12, 13. Then 14th one. 2 years ago, that you can do 12 and 13 you can do same 2 years ago. 12th you can do. Just right. Then one different 2-digit number. That already we have discussed. A 2-digit number, ones and tens. 14th question. Same we have discussed in 6D. In a 2-digit number, the tens digit is bigger. The product of the digits is 27. And the difference between 2 digits is 6. Find the number. Completed. Then question number 14. Try question number 12 and 13. 12 you can do, no? 13 also. Just try it your own. 14th one. In a 2-digit number, the tens digit is bigger. The product of digits is 27. Product of digits is 27. In a 2-digit number, the tens digit is bigger. Tens digit is bigger means the product of digits is 27. We don't know, so the product is given as 27. The difference between 2 digits is 6. Difference between that 2 digits is 6. So, difference between 2 digits. Difference between that 2 digits is 6. How can we write? 2 digits are there. The difference is given as 6. 2 digits means how can we write?
First digit is equal to x.
First digit x. Then what will be the second digit?
X plus 6.
X plus. Understood how you got x and x plus 6? Others? Difference between this is what? 6 is given. Then only difference x plus 6 minus x. Difference 6 we will get. So let first digit, that means unit digit, no. Units, tens, that is ones place. 12 means 2 is in the ones place and 1 is in the what? Tens place. So let ones digit or units digit. Let's ones digit is equal to x. Let ones digit is equal to x. Then if ones digit is x, what will be tens digit? Tens digit 26. 26. 6 is in the ones place. Then which is in the tens place?
2.
Difference, no, 2. So difference between them is given as 6. So what will be in the tens digit? If it is x, what will be here? Difference between these two.
X plus 6.
X plus
6.
So x plus 6. X plus 6. So difference between these two dash. 2 digits are the difference between them is 6 means one is x and next one will be 6. Then only x plus 6 minus x is equal to 6. Difference is given as 6. Then, so what will be the number? What will be the number? Just write what will be the number. 26, I told you 26. 20 plus 6. That is 20. 2 into 10 is 20 plus 6 into 1, 6. So same way, what will be the number?
2 into 10 plus 6.
Therefore, number will be 1's
X
place,
into
10's place, 1's place, 10's place.
X into 10 plus 6. 10 into x plus
10
6.
into, 10 into, this is in the 10's place and this is in the 1's place. So 10 into x plus 6 plus what? 26. How you are getting 26?
Plus x.
2
Plus,
into 10 plus 6.
plus x only, no? 1's place,
Yes,
1's
yes.
place x only. 1's place x, 10's place x plus 6. So we will read this 2, 6. 2 digits are there, 2 and 6. 2 numbers are there, 2 and 6. So we are reading this as what? Simply we are reading it as 2, 6. No, 26. 26. 20. So 20 means 2 into 10. Same way, 22 into x plus 6 plus x into 1. Simply x into 1. 6 into 1 is 6. 1's place. 6 into 1. That is x. Got it? Any doubt in this?
No,
ma'am.
So number will be what? What is our question? What is our question? Find the number. Find the number. That means 10x plus 60 plus x. That is 11x plus 60. That means we have to find the value of x. Then only we can find the number. No. 11x plus 60. That is 11x plus 60. We have to find out. That means if we substitute the value of x, then we will get the value of. We will get that number. For that, given condition is what? Product of digits is given as 27. Product is of digits is equal to 27. Up to this, understood? Any doubt? Up to this?
No, ma'am.
Got
No,
it?
ma'am.
Others? Girls? Is it clear? Girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Product of digits is given as 27. So how can we write product of digits? Digits.
X into x plus 6 is equal to 27.
Product of digits. If you are taking 2 and x, 6 means product of digits is what? 12. So same way, which are the two digits x and x plus 6. So x and x plus 6 are the two digits. Is given as 27. So x into x plus 6 is equal to 27. Then x square plus 6x is equal to 27. That is x square plus 6x minus 27 is equal to 0. Find out x. So if we got the value of x, we can directly substitute in it. So we will get the number. X square plus 6x minus 27 is equal to 0. 27 and 6, which are the two numbers?
9 into 3.
9 and 3.
Minus 3x minus 27 is equal to 0. So x into x plus 9. Then x plus 9. Here minus 3 is equal to 0. So x plus 9 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to negative 9 or x is equal to 3. That is, x is equal to negative 9 is not possible. Therefore, we can take x is equal to 3. Therefore, number is equal to, that is, x is equal to 3. Therefore, number is equal to, we got number as 11x plus 60. So, x value you substitute here. Number is equal to 11x plus 60. That is 11 into 3 plus 60. 33 plus 60, which is equal to 93. Therefore, number is equal to 93. Number is equal to 93. Okay. So 16, 17, 18, I will send the video today itself. 16, 17, 18. So tomorrow we can discuss similarity. Last exercise, similarity, 1 or 2 questions are there that we can discuss tomorrow. So next, so tell me your time for revision, doubt clearing session, that all things you have to inform me. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.